So yun, earning po. Nescafe po tayo today. No sugar. Pero stevia po yung nakalagay dito. Nescafe Original. Red yung color niya. So kuha po muna ng blood sugar reading. Morning, it's 8:20 a.m. Yan. Now, fully malinaw sa video yung reading niya. Wow. 133. So, mataas yung sugar in the morning. Bali 5 hours of sleep. Yung last meal ko was I think around 9 p.m. So yeah, mataas yung sugar count natin for today. So see you guys in an hour. Yun, we're back. So it's 9:26 to be exact AM. So kuha na po tayo ng blood sugar reading an hour after drinking the Nescafe sugar-free. Stevia yung sweetener. Okay. We'll see. 133 yung reading kanina before drinking the no sugar coffee. We'll see kung ano yung reading now. Yan. Yan, I think malinaw na siya sa video. Weird. Instead of spiking, nagbababa pa siya 128. So from 133, 128. So I'll see you guys after an hour ulit and see if continuous na bababa siya, and then we'll conclude kung anong effect ni Nescafe. Yun, so I'm back. Total of 2 hours na po after drinking the Nescafe no sugar coffee. So reading po ulit sa kabilang kamay naman. Masakit na yung left hand ko. We'll see. Yan. Yan, so malinaw naman sa video. There you go. Whoa. So 108, no? Tama ba? So started at 133, tapos I think nag 127 if I remember that correctly. Tapos ngayon 108 na lang after 2 hours. So ang conclusion natin, wala ring effect si Nescafe no sugar, so it's safe to drink.